dried red chilies, poppy seeds, stone flower, cinnamon sticks, dry coriander seeds, green cardamom, cumin seeds, cloves, a shahi jeera, a star anise, a blade of mace, a black cardamom.
Of this whole process is medium to low. We're going to grind this into a fine and smooth paste.
Which, of course, we need oil, onions, cloves of peeled garlic. We keep pan frying the onions and garlic till they just kind of begin to turn golden brown.
With this, a spicy green chili broken into bits. We toss this lightly, and with this, off goes the flame. We mix all of this. Allow this, making the onion paste. The rinsed water is right. Oil. The first ingredient that goes in, asafoetida powder, turmeric powder. Ensure the chicken literally gets stir-fried on high flame
so that it starts getting these brown bits. Once the chicken gets these brown bits, time to add in both the spices that are here and ready. The first one is the onion mix, and along with this, the sauji mix. Let's mix this together.
Once oil starts releasing the sides of the pan, we add in hot water. And along with this, we also add in the residual water from the mixie jar. 20 minutes, of course, it all depends on the size of the chicken, the cut of the chicken. That looks wonderful. The oil is released, the flavors have all become one.